Andria Zafirakou and I'm an arts and textiles teacher at a secondary school. In 2018, I won the Global Teacher Prize and I'm so happy and delighted to be working with Consortium again to help to raise the profile of the arts in education for all our young people at all ages and all abilities. Why are the arts important? The arts are important because it helps our young people to develop their creativity skills, such as construction and also decision making. It helps them to communicate with others and work as a team within their classrooms. The arts help our young people to become more imaginative, exploring new ideas and developing new skills and learning about new materials. But let's not forget, it also helps them to self-express and improves their well-being. Today we'll be making wreaths. And I'm really excited about this project because wreaths can be made using a variety of different methods and with abundance of different materials. Traditionally, wreaths were made at Christmas time using natural objects, but we can make them throughout the year and celebrate different festivals and different themes in our classrooms. What I love about making wreaths is that you can make this as a collaborative project so that everyone in your class participates, or it can be an individual project. Again, wreaths can really bring out the best in our young people, and you can make it very complex by bringing in lots of different materials and ideas, or you can make it as simple as you like so that everyone can participate. It could be really accessible for all ages and abilities, and you can make it as easy or as complex as you like. Wouldn't it be wonderful if every classroom in your school made a wreath and hang it on their door? Here's a fantastic example made by an early years classroom. As you can see, the students had so much fun making and building this fantastic wreath. They started off by cutting out their hands on colourful paper. They then cut around that shape, exploring and developing their motor skills, and then added lots of different types of decorative techniques by either using paint or sequins and other wonderful shiny glittery paper. It would be great if you could discuss with your students why they chose a particular colour, why they chose a particular material, and what does that material feel like, what's the texture of a particular material. And here's some made in the primary classroom. And these have been made using pom-pom as a main material, whereby the students attached each pom-pom to the card. As you can see, this one is a Christmas-based theme using Christmas colours. And this particular wreath has been made by using a variety of different colours and pom-pom sizes. And with this one, again, you can explore different types of cultures and traditions. For example, it could be Diwali with all the different types of beautiful colours. And finally, I've got a really exciting one to show to you. This particular wreath has been made by combining and making lots of different creatures there. I think they're chicks. And again, we can be celebrating another theme, for example, spring. But isn't this fun? And now I'm going to show you an example made in a secondary school classroom. Oh, look at this. Isn't this exciting? With your secondary school students, you can think about the complexity of construction. You can also think about the different types of found materials which they want to add onto their wreath. And you may want to think about also the layering effect, so building on top. So here you can see objects have been stuck on top of the base of pencils. And in this particular group, the students decided to add some hanging features right in the centre. Isn't this brilliant? I'm now going to show you how you can make your own wreath, and the wreath I'm going to be making is a pom-pom wreath. And of course, feel free to use whatever colours you'd like and any objects you would like to use. So first of all, what you do is on a paper plate, you cut around a circle. And you should have something that looks like this. What you then do is add a background colour. So you can use paint and just add on some background to make it much more decorative and colourful. Once that's dry, you'll have something that looks like this. And this is where the fun is. Now we need to start adding our pom-poms. And to add our pom-poms, all we do is grab some glue, take whatever sizes you want, and start adding them around your wreath. You can think about the size you want to use, where they want to place them. The choice is up to you. And finally, once you've finished your pom-pom wreath and you've added in all the objects, you then add a bow. Just like that. So there you have it, your finished wreath. I've loved making this and I hope you and your students do too. Go ahead, have some fun, get creative. After all, it's all for the love of art.